Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to do a cute Christmas design using chrome. For this you will need dip powder or gel, chrome of choice, applicator, dip or gel liquids, nail detail brush, gel top coat, nail polish, alcohol, paper towels, and a duster brush. And so first, you just want to do your manicure like normal. You can do dip, gel, whatever type of manicure you want, but I'm using dip powder. So on these swatches, I'm using DP38, which is the green, and DP36, which is the red from Sparkle & Co. Chromes are CF5, rose gold chrome, and red chrome, and then Slay All Day nail polish, all from Sparkle & Co. And the Slay All Day polish it's just like a really pretty chrome silver polish, and then gel top coat for the design and to go over the design. So what I'm going to do for these swatches, I already completed them. I just did my 3 dips of color, solidified, buffed, solidified, and then I did my top coat, my dip top coat, and then I let that dry completely. So once your nails are completely dry, I'm going to take my gel top coat and I'm just going to put a small amount into the bottom of a dappen dish or just any surface you can put it on. And this is just so I don't have to keep like dipping a detailed brush into the jar. I can just have easy access to it because it's not going to dry until it's cured. So that little bit of clear I put in there's not going to dry. And now I'm just opening up my chrome powders to get them ready to do my design. So what we're going to do is just take a little nail or paintbrush detailing brush, and I'm going to take some of my gel and I'm just going to draw 2 circles and fill them in. So you want them solid, not just an outline, and just make 2 circles with my gel top coat. And you can do as many or as little circles as you want, but I like how 2 of them look. I feel like it's a pretty good amount for a nail. Like I said, do as many as you want, as big or as small. So I'm just doing 2 basic size ones, I guess. And just make them, I'm just wiping off the extra. And then I also have alcohol on the side to clean my brush as we go. But here's my 2 dots. It's kind of hard to see, but they're there. And then you're going to cure this for about 15 seconds in an LED lamp. And you only want to do it for about 15 seconds because top coat cures quickly, and if it cures too long, your chrome won't stick to it. But once that's cured, you're just going to take your applicator brush and take a very tiny amount of chrome and rub it into one of your circles. And if it doesn't seem like it's chroming very well, just keep rubbing it. It will rub in eventually, or you can go back in with a little more top coat and then cure that for a few seconds and then chrome it. But 15 seconds seems to work pretty well with my LED lamp. And my lamp is a 48 watt lamp, if anybody's interested. But yeah, so just rub it in there and it'll get that nice pretty chrome effect. And then I'm going to go in with my second color and I'm going to do the same thing on the second circle. I'm just going to dab it on and then rub that in. And remember, you don't need much chrome. Like you saw the very little amount. It barely takes any at all. So these sample sizes are awesome and will last a long time because it doesn't take much chrome to do designs or a chrome nail in general. So just a little bit goes a long way. And then you're just going to tap off or brush off the extra chrome powder. And also with this design, you want to make sure your top coat, regardless if you had a dip top coat or a gel top coat, is 100% dry and cured before doing your designs, because if not, the chrome is going to stick everywhere. But since it was dry, you see how none of the chrome stuck to anything but my gel. So just a tip, make sure it's completely dry before doing this design or doing any chrome design in general. And then yeah, so after that, I'm going to take my Slay All Day nail polish or any Luxe polish or nail polish that you want to use. It doesn't matter. And take a little bit of that. I'm just putting it on a baggie because I had it there. And then what I'm going to do is take that same paintbrush and I'm going to paint on my little ornament top and the little hook. And then I'm going to also paint on that little tiny light reflection that's on the bulbs. And also, for whatever reason, after I painted my designs, mind you, I'm painting these little hooks and toppers with just nail polish. Nail polish does not dry with a light. I don't care how long you hold it under there. The light is not going to help it whatsoever. The only thing that dries nail polish is air. Air or ice cold water. Dip your hands in ice cold water. It'll help it dry a little faster. But for the most part, it's just air. Putting it under a light did absolutely nothing. So I have no idea while I stuck this swatch with these designs under the light. I mean, I think it was just because I'm like so used to doing it with gel. But yeah, I just stuck it under there. Skip that step. It's not necessary. Okay, and now that that is cured, here is what it looks like. I have these two cute chrome ornaments. And now I'm just going to take my gel top coat and I'm going to do one full coat just to seal in my design. It's going to help that chrome last, and it's going to make those hooks that are just nail polish stay on. It just seals everything in. And then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds in my LED, or if you have a UV lamp, then I would recommend doing 2 minutes. And technically you don't even need to do this step because the ornaments are already cured. But if you want to make sure your chrome lasts and stays on for the length of your mani, I would seal it in with the top coat. And the great thing about chrome and gel is you can literally do any design. You don't have to just chrome your whole entire nail. You can make little designs. I did these ornaments on my nails last Christmas, and just as a little fun accent, but you can do them with absolutely anything. Like I've done a candy cane with red and like unicorn chrome. Really pretty. But yeah, and now I'm just getting my red chrome, and I'm going to use rose gold again because I had it handy. And I'm just going to do the same thing, but I'm going to do it on a green swatch just to kind of give you a different look. But obviously you can use any color of chromes that you have. You could do whatever you wanted. But I'm just going in with my gel top coat on my detail brush again, and I'm going to paint on 2 circles. And like I said, do as many as you want, whatever sizes you want. I just like how it looks with 2. So, oh, it would be cute if you did one bigger and one smaller. But anyway, just going to do my 2 bulbs, and then I'm going to stick it in the lamp for 15 seconds. And also, if interested in any of these products like the chrome, the polish, the green or the red dip powders, I'll link everything in the description of the video. But just go to sparkleandco.com and use code SPARKLE10 for 10% off your order. Free shipping over $25 after discounts. And if you're ordering for the first time, if you use my name or anybody's name that inspires you in the notes at checkout, you will receive a $9 credit or an $18 credit if you subscribe to a subscription bag, which I highly recommend, especially with Black Friday coming up. You really want to get 40% off instead of just 20% off site-wide. To get that 40, go sign up for a bag, $29.99 or higher, use a referral name, and also get yourself a $18 credit. So I'm just rubbing in my red chrome, and I feel like the circle might have gotten cured a little tiny bit too much. Like it's definitely red chrome, but it would be even brighter red. If maybe I painted my circles on with black or any other kind of gel polish, but I just like using top coat because it was convenient. But yeah, I'm just going to rub that in. Different base gel colors will give you a different look. Like I notice if you use black under chromes, you get way more of the chrome effect. So yeah, just a tip, play around and see what kind you like better, but gel top coat is my go-to. Then I'm just going to keep rubbing that in on my ornaments. And after that, I'm going to dust off the extra chrome powder. And a little bit of it stuck on my green, not too much. Just a couple of little chrome flakes, but there's my 2 bulbs. And I'm just going to close these up because I am known to spill stuff. So just close everything. Don't have to worry about any spills. And then I'm going to take my Slay All Day polish again. And this polish, like I said, is just a really pretty chromy silver color. I want to say it came in one of the subscription bags, probably the one last November, maybe December from Sparkle & Co. But yeah, just take a little bit of that and make my little toppers on my ornaments. Paint on a little tiny hook, and then I'm going to paint the little reflective spot on the ornament itself. And then I'm going to let that dry for a minute. And it takes no time for that to dry because it's such a small, thin amount of polish that it dries within like, I don't know, 30 seconds. So it's really quick process. And they're so cute. I love this simple design and it's super festive. And that chrome just gives it that little extra pop of something. Instead of using a decal or a stamp, it just gives it a little something extra. And don't ask why I cured it again because it does absolutely nothing. I think it's just a habit because I use the gel, but steps not necessary. And now I'm just going to go in with my Sparkle & Co. gel top coat and do one coat over the whole design just to seal everything in, make sure that chrome lasts the length of a manicure, and yeah, just give it that nice super shiny finish. And there we go. And then I'm going to nuke that for 60 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV lamp. And here we have those super cute finished little chrome ornament designs that are super fun and easy to do, and you can use this method with any design you want. Chroming is super simple, super cute result. And here is our final product. Okay, you guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment with a video you'd like to see. Deuces and smooches.